Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage notifications on your myQ app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you only want to be notified when your garage door opens and not when it closes. How do you actually go ahead about doing so and editing that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the myQ app. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper left-hand corner. Next, let's click on device management. Now, under hubs, you're going to see your garage door. Click on that. Underneath devices, sensors paired to this hub, you want to click on that. And then you want to click on notifications and alerts. So here's where you can manage your notifications and alerts so that you can stay informed without being overwhelmed. So let's say that we only want to be notified when our garage door is closed. We can turn off the door open. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage notifications on your myQ app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.